Welcome to my channel. Netgear Nighthawk MK62 setup. To connect your router, unplug your modem from its power source. Plug in and power on your modem. If your modem uses a backup battery, put the battery back in. Using the Ethernet cable that came with your mesh Wi-Fi 6 system, connect your modem to the yellow Internet port of your Wi-Fi mesh router. Connect the power adapter to your router and plug the power adapter into an outlet. To sync your satellite with your router, place your satellite in the same room as your router for the initial setup process. If you own more than one satellite, your satellites can sync with each other or with your router. Connect your satellite to a power source. The satellite LED then lights one of the following colors: blue, the router and satellite successfully synced and the connection between the router and satellite is good; amber, the router and satellite failed to sync. If the satellite LED is amber, unplug your satellite, move the satellite closer to your router, and plug it back in. Press the sync button on the back of your router. Thank you for watching.